All right, here we go. Directions are to simplify. So we've got a bunch of exponent problems. Now, 8 to the negative 1. Remember that negative 1 gives us the reciprocal. The numerator goes to the denominator. And you can think of it as the denominator goes up to the numerator. So this is going to end up being 1/8. All right, same thing here. The negative makes it flip. The numerator becomes the denominator goes up to the numerator, and then it's going to be squared after that. So kind of our first step is that, hey, this is 3 over 2 to the positive 2 power, which means times itself. So another 3 times 2, which gives us 9 to the 4th power. All right. Follow your order of operations. Be real careful here. It's going to be tempting to do 4 times 3 first, but that is not your order of operations. Before you do multiplication, you need to use your exponent. So 4 times and 3 to the negative 2 power is 1 over 9. So 4 times 1/9 is 4/9. And so there's kind of our first few answers. All right, D. We've got x to the negative 3, and that's going to be distributed out to these two terms inside of the parentheses. So x to the negative 3 times x to the 3, that's again the same base. So we're going to add those exponents. If you want to think about it, it's 1 over x to the third, that's what x to the negative 3 is, times x to the third, so x times x times x. And you hopefully can quickly see that those x's will all cancel each other out, and we're left with x to the 0, which is just 1, but x to the 0 plus x to the negative 3 times x to the 5th. If we had 3 x's in the denominator and 5 up top, that's going to end up simplifying down to x squared. And then again, anything to the 0 power is 1, so 1 plus x squared is our result. All right, E here. So this a needs to get a to the negative 1 is going to be moved up to the numerator as a positive a. So a and a are multiplied by both those terms there. And we have 3a to the 4th minus 6a to the 7th. Or you could factor out your 3a to the 4th and have 3a to the 4th times 1 minus 2a cubed. Either answer there works great for our purposes right now. So that again, that the negative 1 means that it moves up top, and we're really distributing that a to both terms. All right, F, it says 3a cubed times 6a cubed over a to the negative 1. Now right here we can simplify the top first. That might be an easier first step. So 3 times 6, that's 18, and a cubed times a to the 6 is a to the 9th. Now it's being divided by a to the negative 1, meaning that that a is going to head on up, and we end up with 18 a to the 10th. All right, and we're going to go and pause there and then continue the next ones on in the next video. Hope that helped.